Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week I had another challenge, and the challenge was to create this beautiful centerpiece that usually runs closer to $70, $80 for a fraction of the price. And I am proud to say that I met the challenge. I'm so excited to share with you this week's project. I call it It's Fall, y'all. It's a beautiful fall wedding centerpiece, and it is going to cost you a fraction of what the inspiration costs, which is right at about $80. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode. It's fall, y'all. Wedding centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get to it. So 90% of the supplies for this project came from the Dollar Tree. Don't worry, all the links are in the description right below. And for those of you who don't have access to a Dollar Tree, I have other links that are comparable. So we're going to use these 3 long stem candle holders, and I'm just tracing on my 8-inch styrofoam disc where I'm going to place them. That way I make sure to keep the space and decorate around those circles. So to create our hurricane lamps, we're going to attach 3 4-inch rock glass candle holders to the top of our long stem tea light holders using our E6000. So you simply put it on the rim of the tea light holder, place the other cylinder right on top of it. I usually put a book or something and allow it to dry for at least 30 minutes. Now that our base is completed, we're simply going to slide our 3 hurricane lamps into their spots that we've already designated with our 3 circles. Well guys, what do you think? I absolutely love it, and we came in at less than half of the inspiration picture cost. Don't worry, all the links for all the supplies that we use are in the description below. Just click on that show more button and you'll have everything there to use at your discretion. Well, if you would like to leave a comment, by all means do. I answer them myself. It does take me a minute to get to them, but don't worry. We have a fantastic DIY community that if I don't get to it fast enough, trust me, they are here to help you. It takes a village. Also subscribe so you can know when our videos are posted. And if you'd like to hang out more with us, head on over to our social media because we have a fantastic Facebook, Twitter or X, Instagram, and Pinterest page. Head on over there and you can hang out with us some more. Also, if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account where they pay you to shop, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's so easy. Head to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check for your shopping experience at the end of the month. It is really that simple. Well, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. We want to thank you, first of all, for choosing us to hang out with. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and so we don't take it lightly that you choose to hang out with us. If there is a project that we can help you with, by all means, head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com. You can click on it in the description or right there in the corner where we have more shopping tips. We have a picture and written instructions for most of our projects, as well as blog posts helping you to save money on your wedding or special event. So you can head over there to MissPlanet.com, where you can also click on the request tab, follow the simple steps, and submit your project request. Please do it sooner than later. Our production schedule fills up so fast, and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. So send those requests in. Well, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us, and I want you to remember that when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.